The favorite interview question, bubble sort. What is bubble sort? It is the sorting algorithm where we repeatedly step through a list and compare the adjacent element and swap if they are not in correct order. Now here I have took one list of integer elements, and now I need to go through each element and compare if that element is greater, then swap it. So here I have took one list in the method bubble sort where I have passed this array, and now I need to iterate through complete list. Now here I have took this two loops where I need to check if array of I, the element in array of ith position, is greater than the element which is on the jth position, right? So if this array of I is greater than, sorry, less than array of j, only in that case swap the elements. Now when you consider the list where I have took, if you compare this 10 with 66, this condition will false. Next time when loop iterates and this is 66 will compare with 55 and this loop will say it is a true, then swap this 55 with the 66. Now here let's see how we can swap these elements. I, I have to take one temp variable which will help me to swap the element at ith position. Now consider at ith position it is 66 and I need to swap it with the element at ith position. So what I'll do, array of j that is 55, I need to swap with the temp variable, sorry, with the ith position. Now which element will go next is 66. So that element I have kept into temp. So this swapping will happen till the end of the list. So if you see, I will go till the list length of this list. Okay. And second loop will go till the one element less from the list because we are already comparing with all the elements and we are considering this is the last element. So here I have printed the list, complete list after sorting. So let's execute this. So as you can see, this is the list before the sorting and this is the list which is sorted after our implementation of bubbles.